Hi guys. Yes, it's another exciting moment on Sure Gold that is always sponsored by Goldmine, Aroma, you know. So today we are bringing an exciting content into your view. Again, sit down because you deserve it and so much more. So today it's all about Begiri Ewedu, which Yoruba call Abula. The swallow that we are going to use for it is going to be fresh plantain fufu. Naturally, you know, sometimes it comes with amala, depends on, as a yam flour, depends on what you want to use for it. But today, we're going to use Unripe Plantain Fufu. Enjoy. Also, guys, firstly, my soup mix has come in a cutie jar. So now, guys, you said you don't want it big. Sometimes you want to have a taste. You want to know what it's all about. This is the soup mix. It's now in a cutie jar, and see, most important, it has an alternative use. What you can use your soup mix to, apart from the soup, to tenderize meat, to cook your pasta, to cook your sauces, to do your gravies. So this is my Unripe Plantain. That's the fufu we are going to be using to eat our soup. This is my oshirimishi, ochichirishi, orishirishi. My assorted here, I have tendon, I have shaki, I have beef, I have cow skin. Yes, and my red oil is here. Then I have my Iru, which is Locust Beans, basically for the Ewedu part of it. This you're seeing here on the table comprises of 3 different kinds of soup, where you are going to do your Ewedu, you are going to do your stew, and you are going to do your begiri. Do you understand? The begiri is actually the bean stew. So I have my beans here. People, you know, you can buy any of your beans. But guys, why I don't do honey beans, because the shell is very hard to peel. I always say that. So drums or regular beans is okay, so that it can be easily peeled. But for the sake of the video, this one, sometimes just buy the one that has already been broken and peeled, like this one, so that you have less work to do. So this one I've not soaked it. I'll take you through how I'm going to wash it and cook it, boil it to tender. When it's very soft, then we're good to go. Then I have my habanero, that is butterscotch atarodo here, so that I'll mix it. See, I am using my habanero for my resting and for begiri. So we have only 4 bulbs here, so I'm going to use 3 for the resting and just 1 for the begiri. I'm actually checking if there's sharps or anything in it. Nothing. So what you basically do is squeeze it out, all this, put it here, pour water in it and boil. Put it on fire. So let me be boiling this. There's the begiri part of it. I'm boiling it now. That's all. Here, and we put it on fire and boil it till it forms a good paste, till the water is dry and form a paste. You see. Perfect. You see our sauce? But I left this. Guys, you see my oil in it? Just let it boil, let it cool. Gbegiri in the making, you know. Yeah. This is lovely. Whew. So guys, we now start to turn it until they become fluffy, nice, and solid. This is my plantain fufu, my stew sauce, my Ewedu that has iru in it, that is jute leaf that has a locust beans in it. And this is my gbegiri. Guys, follow us on our YouTube page, subscribe, like, and share. And what? This one, oh healthy pa. So till we come your way again, thank you very much.